In this video, we would like to explain to you about the starting the electromotor in star delta 4. This is the power circuit that has three MCB wires connected to U1, V1, W1 after the conductor and bimetal. From this part, the security is connected to the head of the delta. This is the star, and this is the delta that we want to launch first as a star and then as a delta. First, we close the power circuit and then we wire the common circuit. We need the three main conductors, star and delta. Star and delta conductors can be interchanged. We consider the first as a star and the second as a delta, and we have to run the wiring. First, we consider three wires for the star conductor here. Uh, for the star conductors, you have to bridge and connect the three legs above. Uh, that you can use two wires for bridging. It becomes the head of our conductors. For the delta, we need to take three wires from the main conductors and connect them to the delta conductors. Here we have three wires for delta conductors. In this way, this is the first wire, the red wire, and second wire is the yellow wire. And then we connect the blue wire here. We connected three wires to the delta conductors. This is delta conductors and this is star conductors. We must connect from below. It means connect these two together and connect to the terminals. This conductor is directly connected to the input output terminal. These two should be connected together and then connected to the output terminal. Okay, the last one. We have we have to connect it. We have to connect three wires to the delta conductors. Tighten the output terminal. Okay, this is the last one. And we connect uh, three wires to parallel to the star conductor. Okay, now we will parallel this part. This is the last one. Well, this was the power circuit that we wired. We connected three wires to the MCB. After the MCB, we passed the three load control slots and connected it to the RCB. From the RCB, we connected three wires to the main contactors. We connected from the main conductor to the delta conductor. We bridged the star conductor. We connected three wires from the main conductor to U1, V1, and W1. And we connected three wires from the delta conductor to V2, U2, and W2. And the bottom of the two conductors we are parallel together. To start, the main and star conductor must be activated first. After a certain period of time, the star must change to the delta, must enter to the circuit. Use two inputs. With this input, the main and the star conductors are activated, and with this input, the delta conductor replaces the star. I will explain the common circuit below. If you have a question about the power circuit, you can ask in the comments. Thank you.